Hurricane Beryl caused $7 billion in losses in the agriculture sector, and after Melissa, the ministry says there's over $32 billion in losses. Will farmers continue to suffer during hurricane seasons? Romardo Lyons has the conclusion of Storm to Table.
Action needed, the advice from the Caribbean Development Bank in 2025, a month after Melissa made landfall in Jamaica. It said it's a necessity if Caribbean food systems are going to weather climate change. But here we are today, even worse than we were after Beryl. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green after Beryl in 2024.
About 74% of our total banana and plantain crop has been lost. This is a difficult blow to the sector and does mean that there will be some downturn in supply.
Then February 2026, 4 months after Melissa.
We were getting back from Hurricane Beryl. It's a tough blow.
Over 7,000 banana and plantain farmers were affected, resulting in a 93% decline in production. Now another major system isn't far-fetched. CDB President Daniel Best put it best. He said these major systems aren't hypothetical future scenarios, as the region is suffering from increasing temperatures, declining precipitation, and rising sea levels, and every year, these challenges are compounded by major storms that are increasingly intense and develop with unprecedented speed. That's why opposition spokesman on agriculture Dayton Campbell is of this view.
I don't think we're very prepared. What would have happened is that immediately after the last hurricane, we had an injection into, some of the cash crops, and so that caused a glut on the market. However, when you're looking at our sustainability going forward, I don't think that we're very prepared.
But the government's latest climate resilience push is aimed at placing practical support directly into farmers' hands. Roughly 700,000 people are expected to benefit from more advanced training, climate-smart tools, and improved access to financing under the Adapt Jamaica program. The initiative, approved by the Green Climate Fund, is expected to target 6 central parishes that account for about 70% of domestic food production and have been repeatedly exposed to droughts, storms, land degradation, and weak access to irrigation and finance. Minister Green on March 30, 2026.
We will focus on 4 main areas. Firstly, climate resilient agriculture and food loss and waste. We do lose about 30 to 40% of the food that we produce now in our agricultural ecosystem. The second area will focus on strengthening climate information services. The third area on policy and institutional strengthening. And the fourth on investment-ready financing solutions.
The Green Climate Fund approved nearly $50 million for the initiative, making it one of the most significant climate-focused agriculture investments secured by Jamaica to date.
Well, if it is deployed properly, it should be able to provide significant assistance to them.
These vendors hope that's the case.
The banana, them slow. In the shoot, we don't really have no plant and no banana. I'm from Center. Yes. And that's what we see. We don't have no banana to eat.
Yeah, man, for the day-to-day, people ball upon the prices, because price them kind of hectic when they come out to banana and plant. It's a 9-month thing that,
Farmers too hope future hurricanes won't be as destructive.
It's not bad now. It might not come back in as yet. Not so fast, but you're even a little bit. Can't just merely manage the market and so we have. Not a big market we have now. That's a small scale.
We had a terrible drought. And then the drought break and we get some big, lovely bunches. And then Miss Melissa decided to come. So it really knocked us down.
Now the question is, will banana farmers be standing after this hurricane season? Or will they be down again? Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.